Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Destinasi Dr. Hairatul Dawati PDI dan destinasi Dr. Muhammadul Madinamaki as Director of Floribani Tija Board School Foundation and respectable my parents, my teacher and my whole family. Today I will explain about Al Imran ayat verses 190. Okay. Explain that in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of night and day, there are signs of Allah's powers. Signs of His power can only be known by ulul albab. Ulul albab is people who have perfect means and have the intelligence to think. It Tafsir bin Kathir. It is explained that in Surah Al Imran verses 119, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala commands His servants to complete and pay attention everything in the heavens and the earth, include the laying egg and bread as well as everything in it, such as sands, mountains, forests, plants, animals, and so on. In another interpretation, it is explains that through these verses, Allah when His verses His servant to use their means and to pay attention to the things of day and night, because they are full of things of His goodness. Nothing it is fine of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala creation and beneficial for His creatures. Okay, I think that's enough for this explanation. Thank you for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.